Before applying the gasket maker, it's essential to clean the mating surfaces thoroughly. This step determines whether you will end up taking half the car apart again later, or whether the seal will hold, letting you drive with peace of mind. But even more important is degreasing and getting the surfaces pretty clean. There should be absolutely no dust or residue left behind. Take the sealant you need, puncture the seal, and screw on the applicator. Cut the tip to match the desired bead size. Apply the sealant along the perimeter. Try to keep it even, but don't worry too much if the line isn't perfect or if you miss a spot. We are not robots on the assembly line. You can always correct and add more in tricky areas. Make sure the bead forms a complete loop around all bolt holes. This helps prevent oil leaks through fasteners and mounting points. For small repairs, 25 grams tubes are the most cost-effective option. In this example, we'll demonstrate 3 types of gasket makers. You can control the amount of sealant dispensed with the pressure you apply on the tube. If everything looks good and there are no gaps, you can go ahead and assemble the part. But there is a tip that helps avoid excessive squeeze out into the part, which could block oil pickups or narrow channels. In this case, more doesn't mean better. With gloves on, use your fingertip to gently spread the sealant into an even layer along the sealant surface. It's a simple creative process. Next, taper the edges by gently pressing down. This forms a raised ridge in the center of the surface. That ridge will help fill any imperfections in the mating surfaces while minimizing excess sealant inside the assembly. Once you take the part apart again, you will see the sealant coverage is ideal. Full surface contact, minimal excess, and nothing that could fall off and cause problems in the system.